सेंट फ्रान्सिस झेवियर अवमान प्रकरणात संदर्भात गुन्ह्या फाट्यान दुबावित माधव खट्टराक वास्को न्यायालयात हाडून ताका 4 दिसांची पुलीस बंदखण फरमायल्या। तशेंच न्यायालयान गौतम खट्टरा आड जामीन नाशिल्लो वॉरंट जारी केला। पळयात।
So the police have asked for 7 days remand. So the accused was represented by a lawyer, and the advocate for the accused stated that this accused has no role whatsoever. But the police, through their present investigation, whatever they have done, they have clearly they have found a link wherein they have found evidence to show that the speech which he had spoken that day was basically drafted by this person. So they have got that evidence. So based on that, we have also asked the court to grant the police custody. So we'll wait and watch. The matter is kept for orders. So hopefully the court will pass orders. The PP has argued stating that the custody is required, and also they argued saying that the 35 notice was not served. However, the PP has informed the court that the notice was issued to him. However, he refused to take that notice, and that is the only reason why he had to be arrested. Now, with regards to the orders, the police have also moved another application for NBW against the Gautam. So we don't know what exactly, because I am not a part of it. That is the EPP's duty. So I am representing Mr. Chachil Alama, who has filed the police complaint at Pulwama Police Station.